Hello, this is Mr. McGovern and welcome to the fifth video in this series on two-dimensional collisions. So we introduced the concept of centre of mass in the last video, and we're going to calculate where that centre of mass is for some simple systems, and simple being just made up of two objects. So there's two methods to do that. One is using the ratio method and one is using the formula. This video is going to be about the ratio and the next video will be the formula method. I would suggest you get comfortable with the ratio method first. The downside of the ratio method is it's a bit harder when you get really complicated numbers. So instead of 2 kgs and 1 kgs, you get masses of 6 by 10 to the 24 and 5.98 by whatever. But by using the ratio method first, the simple numbers, you get a really good understanding of what's going on. So how does it work? First of all, you write down the masses of the ratios. You then simplify this ratio to make sure it adds to 1, multiply it by the total distance in between, and then flip. So let's do that for this example. So we've got a 2 kg and a 1 kg, so you write that as a ratio of 2 to 1. Then we want to write this so that the ratio adds to 1. And the only way we can do that is by making both of these numbers, the 2 and the 1, a fraction. And the denominator, the bottom of the fraction, has to be whatever those add to. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So to do this, we write this as 2 over 3 and 1 over 3. What does that equal? 2/3 and 1/3 equals 1. So we've done that. So just once again, you write that ratio again, but you divide both sides by the total masses. The 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then the next one is to multiply by the total distance in between. There's 6 meters in between these guys. So multiply them both by 6, and I can simplify that. 2/3 times 6 is 4. 1/3 times 6 is 2. So now I've got a ratio of 4 meters to 2 meters. And the last thing is you flip that. So you get 2 to 4 as opposed to 4 to 2. What does that mean? Well, it means that the centre of mass of the system is 2 meters from the first object and 4 meters from the second object. So that makes sense. So the cross is there where it is. 2 meters from the 2K object and 4 meters, which is just 6 minus 2, from the other object. So once again, this is very simple when you've got easy numbers, and it makes a lot of sense to practice using this first before you get onto the formula method.